oh, this is about to be so deep. First round. He's playing metal.
Yeah.
He's playing the metal binding.
So, for context, apparently we're in a game with a developer. You can see his name is Red. Oh, I saw the EXE.
He's on us.
I'm in the main area.
Oh, I missed.
These classic X's, I swear, man. They're just so classic. They're so retro.
I know, right?
Oh god, no. Hey.
If you can bring him to the main area, I can shoot.
I should be fine for a little bit.
Alright.
He has the, stun.
Yeah, I know. I have.
It could be like an in-game moderator. You never know. You don't know exactly. But it's somebody who works on the dev team. Because the names are usually different.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool.
Okay, got it. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Woo!
No, get away. I ain't
Oh, burn him. Metal!
Go get a medal.
Metal's coming for you. Ah! Oh god! Get him away from me!
He's taking me, not you.
Sonic! Oh, Knuckles! Take it, Knuckles! Thank you!
I go.
Knuckles took that from me. He blocked him. I feel happy.
I'm sorry. I feel so bad for the dude. I keep stealing his stuff. Get him. Okay, when you got my team right.
My hyper laser Allen Pierce.
You almost gave him right.
Oh well.
I gave him right. I gave him right. Don't worry. I'm your savior.
I'm a savior.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am. Yes. How do you know?
We're gonna skin you.
Sonic, why are you taking me?
This Knuckles just punched at wind. He just struck Casper the Friendly Ghost down.
Must have been the wind.
Must have been the wind, said the echidna.
Oh, okay.
Occasional lag spike, we're balling.
Oh shit. Get away. You filthy bum. Hey Alan, I'm sticking with you.
Hi, I'm Alan. Sonic! These Sonics ruining everything, yo, I swear!
Yo?
Kill all Sonic mains.
Do you see that?
Yeah. Let me stick by him so we can heal faster. Knuckles! 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 Please!
Didn't get anyone.
Good!
Oh, Knuckles is dead.
To be fair, he did punch at wind at one point.
I'm running like the wind right now, bro. Oh.
Yeah, I'm hitting the burners, bro.
Why are you leaving Knuckles? No, why are you leaving Knuckles? He's lower than me. He has a last life. What are you doing?
Knuckles just walking around with a fully charged punch.
Hold on, wait, where's Knuckles?
Last time I saw him, he was in the main area.
I need to save first.
I'm in like the one-off area near the main area.
I took aggro off of that. I got.
I'm waddling over slowly. with my arm cannon of doom and despair. Sasalele.
I'm with the Sonic right now.
Alright, I'm looking for metal. Ooh, that's not good. Oh my god! Renta is an Avenger!
For real? Oh my god, I'm so bugged.
We know, bro. We know. Oh, Renta, brother.
No, no, he isn't?
He's a survivor?
Wait, is it? Oh no, he's going now. Oh no. No, run. Run, Mike. No! I'm gonna stay in main area just so I don't get hit.
I see him. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. Because my arm cannon wanted to be all silly.
I gotta book it, bro. I gotta hit the murders. Hopefully it spawns here.
Nope. Okay. Three ticks of doom and despair.
If he gets you, I got you. If he gets you, I got you.
Quiet my hands.
Run.
Yeah, what do you think I'm doing, Sonic?
Run. Thank you, Sonic. Sonic, I need to get me out, not drag me to the killer.
He's on me. No! Oh!
Like I said, get out of here, bro. You're fine. There's no way. Done. Just right there. 3, 2.
This is what Sonic and Tails players were meant to do.
Right behind you.
That was fun. I love playing Tails. I know. I don't expect him to play like any special character or anything.
But they did.
It'd be cool if they did, but I don't expect it.
They're confused leeway.
Oh god!
It really is them.
Oh god. Alright.
Oh
Focus!
Yo. 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 This is better than Fleeway.
I'm so scared.
This is a developer. This is a developer. The testers don't have access to Furnace.
I'm actually scared. I'm actually so scared.
Bro, I'm a blaze. What do you think? I'm fighting my...
Dude, I'm a Tails!
Oh my god, I hear the parody. Oh my god. Where is he? I'm scared.
I don't know. Oh, he's pummeling Knuckles! Come on, now and I'll shoot him. Oh! What is going on in there?
I need to get myself up now.
What is going on in there?
Sonic!
Hey, just wondering if you got your photos printed.
Oh my god, Sonic, save me.
Hey, you want to get out there by any chance? Or do I have to go in there?
I'm cooked.
I'm coming in, bro. I regret coming in.
I stunned him.
That's scary.
What do you think?
Where is it? Where is it?
Dude, everything's chased for like a straight minute.
Oh no, because it's already. Oh no.
Dude, everything's chased for a straight minute. How do you think I feel?
I'm actually scared. I'm actually scared. I've never gone against a friend. He flies! He flies!
Oh my god, it's his old one. It's his old one.
It flies! Dude, I'm not surviving this thing. It flies! Stun? Oh, okay.
It's scary.
How have I not taken damage yet?
It's because you're back to stuff, that's why.
No, it's because I got pretty privilege.
Hold on, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Don't mind what I'm saying. I hate when people hate. Like, when people are really stupid.
Don't mind what I said.
You don't want to fun. Oh my god, I keep going over him. Oh my god, I can't run. I can't do anything. So he does very little damage.
That's surprising. It's probably... Maybe Starve's gonna do, like, the heavy damage. Oh, I can't stun him when he's charging. Okay.
Oh, iframes. Oh, my iframes.
Oh, I hear it! Oh, metal! That is scary! Yo, bro, can you survive? Respectfully? Oh! My broski. Oh god! Get it away from me! No! Where is it? Where is he?
Well, he ran out of flight meter. He ran out of flight.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Dude, my heart was actually pounding. That was actual fear coming from me. I couldn't see him. I couldn't see him. I was so... My heart is beating so hard.
Sonic's like a direct man, bro.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Overdrive thing. He has an overdrive thing. He has an overdrive. My gang, he has an overdrive.
Yo, where are my stuns, bro?
Sonic, can you drop dash like now? He has a stun cancel.
Oh.
Just don't. Fly up.
No bro left behind! No bro left behind! I can make it! I can make it! No bro left behind! Come on! Sonic! Oh my god!
Terrifying. Dude, oh god, metal is terrifying.
Oh my god! My heart was pounding!
Yeah, I can tell, brother.
I wasn't down that entire round. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
That thing is
Wait, he
so
left!
big. Oh, he left? No. He one round. The one round wonder.
I hope we didn't upset him by winning.